This is the instructional video for the new radio mic kits we've got in stock. They are Sony UWP-D21s, UWP-D26 and UWP-D27s. So the UWP-D21s is a single transmitter to a single receiver kit. The UWP-D27s is a double transmitter to a single receiver kit. And the UWP-D26 kit allows you to use a single transmitter to receiver and also allows you to connect a boom microphone wirelessly to the camera. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you the single transmitter kit. We're just going to open it up, take out the receiver and the transmitter, and we're going to plug the cable, the XLR to jack cable, into the output of the receiver. So this is the receiver. We're just going to power it up. You should see it light up, and then we are going to plug the jack to XLR into the output of the receiver and screw it in. And we're going to put the microphone into the transmitter. With the transmitter, we're just going to power it up. You see it light up, and we're going to plug the microphone into the transmitter, screw it in. Now firstly, we need to sync the two up so they are speaking to each other. The advantage of using this kit is that it scans the airways for a free channel and avoids interference. To do that, we're going to press the NFC sync button and hold your finger on it for a few seconds. You'll then see the numbers start to change. Wait until it scans the channels and then it'll flash. Like that. We now hold the two symbols to each other for the two units to sync. You'll then hear a vibration. They are now ready to use. With the double kit, the transmitters are exactly the same. You just turn them on by pressing the power button. The difference with the double transmitter kits is the receiver has two outputs. We need to plug two cables into the receiver, one into output 1, screw it in, one into output 2, screw it in. And on the receiver is a physical on and off switch, so we'll turn it on and turn output 2 on as well. However, to sync it, it is the same process as the single kits. You have to press NFC sync. It'll scan the airways, and then you hold the symbols to each other and wait for the vibration. When it vibrates, we know that they're both connected and we're ready to go. That one's complete, and that one's complete. So now they're both connected and ready to use. With the D26 radio mic kits, you use them exactly the same as the single transmitter radio mic kits, but we also have the attachment for a boom microphone where you can connect the boom microphone wirelessly to the receiver using this. We connect it to the microphone, we power it on, we power the receiver on. We then sync them up the same process as before. We press the NFC sync button, and once it finds a free channel, it will flash, and then we hold the symbols together until they vibrate, which tells us that the two units have connected. And now we can see that both units are connected by checking the frequency channel 581.
So this is an alternative configuration for the unit which turns the boom mic into a wireless boom mic, and that's by using an XLR that plugs in like so and into the wireless unit there. And the advantage of that is that the weight is not on the back of the mic, which will move the mic a lot more. The weight of the unit is actually down here. So that's an alternative configuration you might want to consider, and the XLR cable will be included in the kit.
This microphone needs phantom power. To give the microphone phantom power, we need to turn it on in the unit. Above the display is a light where it says plus 48. We need to turn this on. So you press the plus minus button until you get to the plus 48V supply. Now you press set and hold and turn it on. Press set again. Now you've got a light which is giving phantom power to the microphone. Now the microphone has phantom power. So to change the batteries on all the units, it's the same process. There's two buttons on either side that need to be pressed simultaneously, so you can slide the battery pack off, lift up the flap, and that's where you put your batteries. Then slide it back on. The only one that's different is this, where you have to unscrew the bottom of it, open the door, and that's where your batteries go. If you're leaving the units for any length of time, it's good practice to remove the batteries. The batteries can leak inside the units, damaging the insides. So please remove the batteries. If you want to learn more about these kits, you need to go to the FTV YouTube channel, where there are plenty of videos about the external audio playlists.